Did they even see him?
Hopefully.
2 of them are coming. Oh, wait, no.
Holy shit. But they haven't stopped, man. Keep going, keep going. Run them over.
Yeah, you think I'm stupid? You think I didn't see this shit when I was your age? You used to fucking, you don't pay clients for
Huh?
tennis balls instead?
There ain't nothing there, though.
You can't peg my car with tennis balls?
Well, we ain't got
Hey, we could have eggs.
Give me the tennis, no.
We're just fucking around with people with fake string. Go ahead, try and see if fucking string there. See if we can hold it back. Bye-bye, have a nice night. Don't get it to you.
Oh, shit, do it again.